be? You have already guessed the topic and it is Justice and Woman. Let us see scene 1. Look, a doctor peacefully walking in the seminar hall. Nothing but happened, right? A hospital is a safe place for her. The doctor exits the room to grab something. A man shamelessly walks inside and sleeps on the bed. The doctor comes in and says, "Oh hello, get down right now. I want to do some work." "No, I will not. I need some sleep. Please get down or I will call the security to take you out." The man drags the doctor and the doctor starts shouting, "Help me! Help me!" The man takes her to a room with no one and no CCTV camera. The man tortures the doctor a lot. The doctor is crying, shouting, "Help me! I have a family. Don't do this to me." The man takes a broken piece of glass and puts it in the doctor's eye. The doctor breathes her last. As you saw how badly the man tortured the doctor saves life. But people take the doctor's life. I can't understand this. To move forward, let us see scene 2.
Hello. Look, both friends and father are fighting. What a serious clash. Yajna and friends playing. Yay! Yahoo! Yay! Oh no! The ball goes out. Her friend goes to take the ball. The man enters there and asks, "Hi, do you want a chocolate?" "Hi, yes, I love chocolates." "Tell me your name." "Yes, my name is Jimya." The man pulls her and brings her to a room with no CCTV camera. The man tortures her. "Please stop, don't do this to me, mommy." Then the man takes a big stone and throws on her, and the girl breathes her last. As you saw how badly the man tortured the girl, I don't understand why these people tortures these small girls. With this, let's move forward to scene 3. A girl is walking home confidently, but someone starts following her. "Why are you following me? Stop right there." But the girl is brave. She knows how to protect herself by doing karate. "Sorry, I will never trouble anyone again." Everyone has the right to live without fear. Self-confidence gives respect, but respect for women is every person's responsibility. Thank you. Herself. Now let us move forward for part scene 4.
Look, a small little child playing in the garden. Yay! Yay! But suddenly, someone approaches her and asks, "Hi, do you want a chocolate?" The girl takes the chocolate and throws it on the ground and pushes the man away and plays in happiness. Look how brave this child is. She protected herself by not taking anything from strangers. All the small children should do like this. Do not accept anything. You might not know what is in it. To move further, let us see part 2.
A girl is walking home confidently, but someone starts following her. "Why are you following me? Stop right there." Then the girl takes the paper spray from her bag and spray on her. The man runs away. Look how confidently the girl protected herself by spraying paper spray on the girl. Now
शिकायला पाहिजे, म्हणजे कराटे, बॉक्सिंग म्हणजे कोण तुम्हाला त्रास देत असेल किंवा तुमचा पाठलाग करत असेल तर तुम्ही त्यांना डिफेंड करू शकता, स्वतःला प्रोटेक्ट करू शकता.
तिसरी गोष्ट, प्रत्येक टीनेजर मुलींनी आपल्यासोबत एक पेपर स्प्रे ठेवायला पाहिजे, कारण की कोणी पण आपल्या पाठला किंवा त्रास देत असेल तेव्हा आपण त्याला स्प्रे करू शकतो.
चौथी गोष्ट, कोणत्या पण मुलीने जर तुम्ही कार नाही तर रिक्षाने ट्रॅव्हल करत असेल आणि कोण तुम्हाला त्रास देत असेल तर तुम्ही कोणाच्या पण ह्याच्यावरती मोबाईलवर शेअर करू शकता लोकेशन.
आता आम्ही तुम्हाला एक सुंदर कविता सादर करणार आहे. अजून किती विरोध, मेणबत्त्या जाळून करायचा. अजून किती विरोध, मेणबत्त्या जाळून करायच्या. त्याही जळून खाक झाल्या, पण राक्षस नाही मरायचा. त्याही जळून खाक झाल्या, पण राक्षस नाही मरायचा. कुठली भीती कायद्याची, नोंदवला जातो फक्त गुन्हा. दिवसही किती निघून गेले, पण न्याय नाही मिळायचा. नको कुठली सूनवाई, फक्त हवी फाशी आता. पुन्हा पुन्हा तेच कृत्य, भारत किती रडायचा. अजून किती विरोध, मेणबत्त्या जाळून करायचा. अजून किती विरोध, मेणबत्त्या जाळून करायचा.
दाही दिशेत भारताच्या रोजच अत्याचार, किती दुष्ट हैवान जिकडे तिकडे. भारत कसा घडायचा, प्रश्न पडला भारताला. कधी सरणार पाप हे, दर दिवसात पाहुणे अन्याय हा घास कसा गिळायचा.
अजून किती विरोध, मेणबत्त्या जाळून करायचा. अजून किती विरोध, मेणबत्त्या जाळून करायचा.
किती असह्य वेदना या, नको तिचा तिरस्कार आता. हवा तिला मोकळा श्वास, या समाजात जगायचा. अजून किती